In this video, I'm gonna teach a very useful tutorial on how to fix the taskbar is not working or responding in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to bring up our task manager. How we can do so? Press Control, Shift, and Escape key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up your task manager. Or you can simply press Control Alt and Delete key together and select the Task Manager, and in that way you would be able to bring up the Task Manager window. So here, please expand it first. And if you haven't seen this navigation or pane at the left side, please click on this three lines, and in that way you would be able to open up this pane or navigation. So you need to locate with processes, tap on it, and under the processes, please look for the Windows Explorer. So your Windows Explorer might be running under the apps or it might be running under the Windows processes. So please scroll down and locate for it. I can see it here. Okay, all you need to do is you need to make a right click and go with restart. Yes, you need to restart the Windows Explorer. Okay, because the moment you've restarted, your taskbar would be restarted as well. Okay, so restart it and wait for a few seconds. And once done, okay, you will be able to fix your taskbar, which is not working or responding in your PC or laptop. Okay? So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Don't forget also to leave a comment at the comment section below if you have succeeded on fixing your Windows Explorer, which is not working or responding in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So thank you and have a good day, everyone.